I don't ask for much from you all, just a subscription. Georgia refers 35 cases of election law violations for criminal prosecution.
Ha ha! Let's get it.
Hello, Exile Army. Hold tight, Georgia. Hold tight, Patriots. People are coming to take a look at it. I never expect amazing results or anything, but look, this hasn't been dropped. This has been picked up, and they're still running with it. So there's still a chance that something can be found out, and that's all we're looking for is information at this point. This is in the Examiner, and this is repeated on Microsoft News Network. The Georgia State Election Board announces 35 cases of election law violations to the state's attorney general and local district attorneys for criminal prosecution. Here's Raffensperger looking incredibly confused. I think people need to understand that we're not going to tolerate non-citizens voting and also people double voting, Raffensperger said. During a Thursday interview, the board is not going to have a lot of patience with people willfully defying the laws of Georgia. Many of the cases were not even from the 2020 election. You hear that, YouTube? It's not about 2020 election. Raffensperger expressed confidence that the team's work will help ease some voters' fears, with confidence in the state's election security plummeting following the 2020 presidential election. I can't imagine why. People have such a low confidence in the Georgia elections. What do the people know that this guy doesn't know? Maybe we're all just collectively in this giant crazy delusion. But the good news is you can't fool all the people all the time. There are people in position that are capable of questioning some of these non-citizens voting, felons, and they're just going to look into it. That's all we've ever said if we just want to look. Am I crazy for wanting to look? Is it okay to look? Or is Georgia just going to say, no, if you ask to look, there's nothing to see here. If you ask to look, you must be fired. You cannot have a job. You cannot have any credibility. You have to be shamed. Your YouTube channel must be shut down. Is that how we're going to do this now? Does that sound like an America you want to live in? I'm Doug TenNapel, in exile.